Okay, so we are back. So today is last link from Greencoin part 14. So we want to fork from Greencoin to Coin. So let's work with that. So Coin. Let's take a look. Let's prepare all of the folders around here. Yeah, let's prepare all of them here. So Coin, you want to move it down here, and yeah, so now you want to have this Greencoin Coin work folder. Okay, so you want to clone the Greencoin, which I haven't downloaded yet. So Greencoin, here it is. So where are you? Here you are. So you want to clone this. So this is the past. So no need to do anything on the past, because yeah, so here you go into Greencoin and you just search the Greencoin folder, which only has one commit, so there's no need of searching for something else. But I think yeah, we need to do this checkout -b, and this is manual fork from Greencoin to Coin. Okay, so we have the fork here, and now we can make the commits. So in the other side we should have Coin. Okay, Coin is here, and we need to decide which is the first commit. So the first commit is from 10th March, and yeah, and the Greencoin is from 2 of March, so that's okay. However, if you take a look at the Coin commits, which we have here, so there might be something wrong, like this. Okay, this one is not a good commit. This is the right commit that you want to use, so this is this commit here. Okay, so what to do is commit, you want to create something like this is going to be initial commit branch. Okay, so this could be named like useful initial commit branch. Okay, so now okay, so this is the useful. So if you take a look here, you've got all the files. This is a useful initial commit branch from Coin. not the one that only has the readme one. Okay, so this is what we're going to use as a comparison, and this is the manual fork. There's only one fork, and now we can run the melt. So we can remove the old comparison here. We can search the melt, which will have to use coin with capital letter here. Let's see what do we have here. Let's see if there are too many changes or not. So we've got the usual pro change. We've got all of these files that are being modified because of whatever, because of the strings change. Okay, and then we have these coin files with, as you can see, Greencoin. This is a good indication that this comes from Greencoin because of these images here. So main coin 128, main coin 16. Okay, it's exactly the same ones that are being removed from Coin. So this makes sense. Okay, that Greencoin and Coin are being connected somehow. Then here you have Coin 1, and up here yeah, Coin 1, and that's it. Yeah, okay, well, doesn't matter. Let me check what more do we have around here. What does happen with main.cpp? Is there anything interesting? Where the hell is, here it is, main.cpp. Okay, so the chains start some places. These are replace coin. What about this? This is yeah, subsidy. Here you can see how the subsidy is the same thing as I mean, there is no change on the subsidy side. It's the same thing, not as Whitecoin that had a major change there. Okay, this is the same thing. Find and replace. This is what usually. Okay, look at that. This is nice. So on the right, you have Greencoin. So the ghost one is, forget about it, kid. They are ghosts in the middle of the night. And the right you have the Denver Broncos finally got on the board with a touchdown in the final seconds of the third quarter, but the seated Seahawks out dominated the Broncos 36-8. And you ask yourself, why is there here? Okay. What the hell is this? Ghost coin. Oh, look at this. This will figure out a valid hash and nonce if you are creating a different Genesis block. Okay. I'm not sure if this is useful or not, but it's there. And kernel.cpp sometimes has something interesting, sometimes it does not. And what about net.cpp? Nothing interesting so far. Okay. Well, and the other thing that it usually has some interesting changes is this makefile Unix, which is about using some files or other files to build stuff. So as you can see here, it's exactly the same thing between Greencoin and Coin. That's more or less, that's it. And yes, and there's this change on srcqt forms sign verify. Yeah, wait a moment. Yeah, sign verify message that there is no change. And if you take a look around here, you can see Lucky 7 coin, and this is one thing that it's going to change when we modify with when we compare it to what's the lucky 7 coin address. Okay. Yeah, so there are not so many changes, but I mean, I guess it's better, but at the same time, yeah. So let's do it. Then we will jump from Greencoin to Memecoin. That one will be a quite big leap, I guess. So first of all, as always, what you want to do is to work with images. So let's copy this image and let's go on with all of this. So hit add this image, and this is going to be something like replace images. So this is going to be fork ghost, because we go from green to ghost, and so ghost coin 1, yeah, this is a replacement, even if it's not. So this is a new file here. Nice. Oh, look at that. There are a lot of files that are changed, which are not the typical files about, yeah. There are some big changes here. Look at that. And these are not the usual images that are related to whatever. So this means this might be that there's a jump on the Bitcoin version or whatever, and there's ledger. Okay, ghost coin, whatever the reason is, it's adding ledger. So that's interesting, my friend. That's interesting. So let's do this. Dev window, edit. Yeah, let's copy all of these files, which I'm going just to update. Well, I'm not sure, maybe about the Splash wallet. It's something about Ghost Coin itself, but you know, we don't know so far. So yeah. So this should be, I'm not sure if it replaces images, but yeah, so update normal icons. Yeah, so update normal icons. That's right. Okay, so so there are these 4 files here, and we have the lecture. So let's work with the lecture so that this is easier to do. So let's add this, and let's say something like new ledger.png file. Nice. And now we can rename and then put the new images from Ghost Coin here. So that's what we're going to do. So this is something like this. Yeah. Not. Yeah. So what you want to do is ICO. What about its Ghost Coin? Yeah, so we also have PNG, and then we've got this 16 and 16. now there should be the four of them in the same place. So let's search for rename image files. Yeah, that's it. So this is fork ghost rename image files. Nice. Now what we want to do is to copy and paste this to the right. We want to say something like this. So this is ghost ghost coin actual images. However, we need to add them first, isn't it? Yeah. Now we can say that these are actual images. Nice. So now we should be able to continue with all of the other stuff that it's usually so we have this command that we usually use to copy and paste everything. That seems, yeah, everything but the Windows README, which I'm going to remove. Doc README something. Let's search for this dot README. Okay, so we don't want to copy these two files because otherwise we have to remove them later. So the idea is to copy and paste this, and we want to copy from Greencoin. That's right. So now we can check how a lot of files have been changed, and so let's check if everything is what we want to add here, and if there is a file with something that we don't want to add, we will restore it. Okay, so far I don't see anything useful around here, so let's take a look here. Okay, so far this is right. We should see maybe some ports here which should not be there, but nothing too much complex here. So far Greencoin, Greencoin. Okay. Yeah, you are. Okay, some more stuff here. Greencoin, Greencoin. Okay, so far I haven't seen anything that should not be replaced, like ports or whatever. Yeah. Greencoin. Wait a minute. Yeah, Greencoin is replaced by Greencoin. The Greencoin and Bitcoin developers. Okay. Yeah, let's do a commit. So this is coin name replace, something like that. So this is replaced from Greencoin to Greencoin, and this is fork Ghost, because we want to go to Ghost. Okay, yeah, I need to add all of these files, isn't it? Now I should be able to have this properly. Now we are able to refresh this. Now we have much less files here. Okay, so we can see how we have some new file. I mean, we managed to have some files here that originally were not there, about copy and install and so on. That's nice to have here. Okay, so hit, ignore, build and so on, this should be removed. And so that means that we can say something like for Ghost remove, build, hit, ignore, because yeah. So Greencoin decides that it does not need the build directory, even if in the other repos it's there. Okay, so that's what you have there. Then you've got many files that need to be copied, and all of this stuff here that it's a bit confusing. Maybe we could work with these 3 files here. We delete them and we make commit, like removing all of these 3 files, because Greencoin removes them. So remove, copy and install readme files. This is not useful, that's why it's in remove. Okay, so now we have the pro, which we will leave for the end. We have the readme changes also, and we have everything else, which as always we copy everything and we kind of work from there in order to find the coin renaming in the first place, you know what I mean? And yeah, so that's the idea. So now we are going to find the coin rename, and then we will work with everything else, file after file, till everything is copied here. Okay, let's copy all of this to the right. Yeah. Okay. Nice. And nice. Okay, let's leave the readme without any change for later, and that's it. So now we want to add all of these files in such a way that we can work with just renaming stuff. So we want only think about renaming the coin so that it's easier. Let's split here. So we don't want anything about the ports right now. Later on we will work with the ports. Okay, let me see. Port. Let's split these. So we want this one, not the ports. We don't want this change, not this change. This is just renaming stuff. This is not okay. This is once again find and replace. Find and replace. This is a port which we don't care right now. What about this? Find and replace. This is find and replace. Find and replace, not this one. Look at there are spaces here that should not be there, but there are there, and that's nonsense. So not sure how I will make commits of all of this. Okay, so here there are different years as always. So this is find and replace too. Don't want this. Don't want this. We do not want this. So this is Merkle root, which we will have to add it later. Genesis, we don't want this. We want this one. Okay, about this one. Okay. We don't want the ports, we don't want the ticker, not the ticker. This not the ticker yet. We want this one, not the ticker. And we want this one here. Yeah, okay. This is nice. Okay, I guess that this makes sense. This is another one. Not this one, not this one, not this one. So now we have a lot of files that are prepared to be commit. So let's check if whatever is found here is the right thing to be committed. Let's see if there's something that we have messed up to add here. We will remove it if it's needed. Okay. So let's go ahead and find this. Where the hell is this? Where are you? Yeah, so far there is nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, so this is a replace coin name. So this is number 2 from Greencoin to Coin. That's right. Okay. So now we can check these files and do some stuff. So doc readme has something about the port. Readme Windows TXT also has it, and if I'm not mistaken, we had Bitcoin RPC also had something about the ports, and that's what you want to add here. So you want to add doc readme Windows and SRC Bitcoin RPC CPP. And yeah, so now we want this, wait a moment, we want this changed port, but not this one, but the first one. Yeah, change port, this one. So this should be for Ghost, because we are going towards the Ghost coin. And let's see how is this changed. So we change from 12 like this to this one, and from yeah, just write it, because otherwise this is not useful at all. Yeah, so this is the same, it's the same port. Okay. Yeah, you are. Okay, so let's search more stuff. So this should be the pub key address that we already know. So this is key. Okay, who's pub? Yeah, pub key address. So this is fork Ghost, and this was updated for Ghost coin. Okay, what more stuff do we have around here? Okay, so we have the checkpoints, which I think they are fine here, and in also in init.cpp. Not here, but let me check where the hell the checkpoints were found, since I have it somewhere. I do not have it here. Let's check. So checkpoints.cpp and kernel.cpp. That's what I wanted to do. So src checkpoints cpp and src kernel.cpp. So if you take a look at whatever is here, we have the checkpoints. So we want to do something like that. So this is, should be fork Ghost, and this is change checkpoints. So checkpoints were updated for Ghost coin. Okay. What more do we have here? The ports. Yeah, we can check the ports. There are more ports to be changed here, isn't it? Or is it? Yeah. Yeah, so I don't think there are more ports to be changed here. So let's fix this. So this is change port. So we have this one here. So this is fork Ghost. Okay. And so we go from this specific port to these new ones. on the normal ports, and then you go from here to this other thing here, which is like this. Okay, let me check the ports if they are okay. Okay. What more do we have here we can work on? I think we have the Merkle root on main. So let's add the Merkle root here on main. src main.cpp. Let's search for the Merkle root. Where are you, my friend? This one, let's okay, so now we should just save this Merkle root stuff, which yeah, so this is for ghost Merkle root change. Nothing more to specify here. Let's see what more there is that we could think about. Yeah, there's the Genesis. This is in main.h, so let's work with main.h, and let's save the Genesis. So let's check this 1 second. This is the Genesis. Now let's search for this, for ghost. Okay, what more do we have that we can think about committing? Yeah, so the unit changes. So there's this src-qt bitcoin units, cbp. Okay, what more do we have with changes of units? Look at this page here, overview page, src-qt forms overview. I think that's complete. I have seen something here about mint or something. What the hell is this? We also have a port. Oh, look at this. This is send dialogues. Yeah, so this is send dialogues, send coin dialog UI. So let's see so far what we have saved here in the pre-commit. Yeah, so we have everything. It's about changing the commits. So this should be replace the ticker. So we change from mint to GHC, okay, and this is for ghost. Okay, nice. What about everything else? I have seen something about a port, which is probably protocol.h. Look at that. So protocol.h. So what you want to do here is change port. So I think it's number 3. Yeah, that's right. So this should be for ghost, and so the ports that we want to change here is this ones here, and we want to change them to this ones here. Yeah, you are. Let's see what more do we have here that makes a bit of sense or not, or whatever. Yeah, so basically is whatever. These are some minor changes, and yeah, so let's see how the hell do we do this, because there are a lot of spaces that should not be there. So first of all, I'm going to save the spaces, because this is not something that you want to have here. So that main CPP, let's save only the spaces. So I want to split this, not this. I want this space here. Let's split. Oh my god, you don't want to have this one here. This is not right. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so now what you can see is that you have the space here. So this is remove spaces. Yeah, so so right now what you have here is this stuff. So as you can see here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this. I'm going to apply this thing here. I'm going to remove how the hell is this? Yeah, I mean, I think I'm going to be able to replace this properly, but I'm not sure how. So first of all, I'm going to apply this commit, and I will go back so that we only have the space. No. So I want to remove 2 zeros here. So let me do this properly. So what you want to do is to say that I want to have this. Where are you, my friend? Here it is. So you want to split. I want this one. Let's go outside. So now if you take a look at what has been changed here, there's this thing here. But if I happen to modify main.cpp in such a way that it has 2 more zeros, okay, I think it will be able to. So we want 2 more zeros here. Is that right? Let me see. So now, not this. So now I can think about adding this without. So not this, not this one, split, and I want this one to be added. Now if I have done this properly, we only have this change, which was the one that I wanted to have originally. So as this is on the hit diff catched and the latest comment is about the space, I can just say that I amend this, and here you are. So my latest comment should have 2 spaces, and that's right. So now I should be able to copy and paste this main.cpp file again, so that it has the right value on the right, and now we can check that we have this 8 something something, and I don't think we don't have any more spaces that are doing some stupid stuff around here. So here what we want to do is to save differently whatever is different. So there's this block nonce here which it's a bit confusing, so you don't want anything from down there. But first of all, I'm going to save whatever is simple enough to be saved here. Okay, so far I'm going to add everything from main.cpp, which is easy enough to do. Subsidy and subsidy. We don't want this one. Well, you want to split, you want this one, but you don't want this one because he doesn't know how to split it. So you don't want this one, and you want this one. So right now these are minor changes, which I don't remember. Was this minor changes? What was the name? Minimal. Damn it, how the hell was this? Specific. Well, I do not remember what was the right thing here. What about taking a look here? This thing here, cost coin. This was something about minor updates with capital M. So this is what I want to use, minor updates. Yeah, not this one. Yeah, probably this one. So this minor updates. This is not a doubt, but this one we want to remove. And this is folk ghost. Okay. So now what I want to do is to check what's left here with this block nonce stuff. So what you want to do is remove all of this about if true something something something, this code. This needs to be yeah, why did I make this yeah, anywhere so you want to, if true, debug print. So if true, debug print. Where are you? Here you are. What? Debug print? No, that's not right. Wait a minute. What the hell is this? Wait a minute. What debug print was there originally? Are you sure? Okay, let's restore this file so that this is easier to do. So let's restore src main.cpp, and now we should be okay. Now let's copy and paste the complete file again, and let's see what the hell is going on here. Yeah, debug print should not be removed. Yeah, so we want to just yeah, let's try this again. So debug print should not be removed, only this stuff. Yeah, you are. Now, yeah, so this is, now we are okay. So that means that I can say something like, this is a minor update. This is number 2 for Ghost. Now we can work with main.cpp again. And now we have this main change, which I don't know very well where the hell this comes from, but this is the main change that, you know. So this is doubt, okay. Doubt, mature, update, wait, not white coin. Mature update. Yeah, this is not one. Let's rebase about 6 commits. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, but we need to do that because otherwise main version. Yeah, let's restore this and we will do it later. I want to fix the commits because otherwise I'm going to forget about that, and that's not right. So yeah, so these two ones, yeah, you want to reword the commit white coin. This is ghost coin. So this is ghost coin, and this is cost coin. Nice. Now we should be able to copy and paste these two files and do whatever it's needed in order to work from with them. Let's also copy readme now that we are at it. So main.h is just about minimum changes. Okay, so let's do that. Main.h. So minor updates. So this is ghost coin. So this is ghost and main h, and you know version.h. This is mirror changes. So this is src version.h. Now we have the readme, which has a lot of stuff, but I think I'm just going to add it, and that's it, because you know, I mean, mint coin to ghost coin changes. So green coin to ghost coin changes, even if it's not green coin, you know what I mean? But okay, so now we have the my friend .pro. So what we are going to do is to rename this file, which is white coin, green ghost coin, which is the name here, mint coin Qt Pro, so that it's ghost coin Qt Pro. Yeah, so this we should have something like this. Replace coin name, rename. Okay, that's what we want to have here. And so this should be fork ghost. So rename it to ghost coin. We come from mint coin. Mint coin. Nice. Okay. What more do we have around here? Let me see. Now we should be able to copy and paste the contents. We will see if we need to dash to Unix or do something else or whatever, because sometimes difference has a lot of stuff here. Okay, so first of all we are going to cost coin. We are going to add replace coin, because this is the easiest one. Okay, so replace coin name. So this is 3. Yeah, maybe we can replace coin name, and maybe we can say that this is Qt Pro, because we already know what is this about. So this is cross coin Qt Pro, isn't it? Let me check 1 second. Ghost coin Qt Pro, yeah, that's right. Okay, so now we have this change, which is I don't know why we have this here. Non-useful commented code for Windows build. So this is something that only has Ghost Coin Pro. So from mint coin to ghost coin it's added, and then from ghost coin to mint coin it's removed, because these are comments that are not being used. So why would you have them in the first place? Okay, that's it. So now we should be okay. Let me check what we have here. Okay, so there are no differences between the folders, and now what we want to do is to rebase something like, I don't know, 40 commits. Oh, maybe not so many commits. Okay, yeah, how many commits are there? Because if we want to, yeah, so there might be 29. Okay, so yeah, apparently let's check if there's something wrong here. I don't think so. Maybe some reference to white coin, but I am not sure about that. Replacement of THC, rename. Yeah, I think we are okay. So what we're going to do here is to push everything to the repo, and let's go into Greencoin. Okay, not here, but in the other place. 1 second here. Ghost coin. Let's push everything to the right place. Okay, so yeah, so now we should be able to work with this. Where the hell are you? Now we should be able to work with Greencoin, which has this new stuff with a lot of changes. So that's it. So the only thing that it's useful here is maybe this major update about main.cpp, which is something about figuring out if this is a valid hash or not. Okay, let's copy this into the video description so that someone can use this. Okay, so we are done. So one more to go. So the next video, it will be a link, interesting one, which is mint coin to green coin, which is actually a minor difference in mint coin. Mint coin something minor difference, so I don't care too much. So question is, how do you know? Yeah, so we will have to figure out which is the right commit and everything. So let's try it around here. Let's update this. Okay, so we have Greencoin. Oh wait a moment, this is not what I wanted to do here. So Greencoin only had one actual useful commit, but I think I needed it as an intermediate state so that the link with mint coin was easier. So what we have here is Greencoin to be so what we have here is something else. So now the this is completed. We know how to, yeah, so we have Greencoin and Ghostcoin. Link has been done. So yeah, that's nice thing to have here. Okay, so the next one, it's going to be Mintcoin and Greencoin, and that's going to be this might be